you want to see how I make this shrimp stock, please keep watching and watch to the end. Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Matty Kitchen. Yeah, this is Matilda cooking in Matty Kitchen. Yes guys, thanks to all my subscribers, all my returnees subscribers, thank you all. Yeah, to the new ones, thanks. If you are passing by, please don't hesitate to subscribe on your way out. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is a what is it called, shrimp skin and the head. Yeah, I'm going to be making a shrimp stock. Yeah, I'm going to be making shrimp stock. Yeah, I've made this thing before. It tastes really good. It was really good. So that I said to myself, anytime I'm going to make it, I'm going to vlog it. So I put it out there. So guys, we bought this thing last time. This shrimps for eating bread. You know, it's a summer. Yeah, so it's everywhere. So you take off the skin and the head before you eat this thing inside. So let me show you guys the one I have. This is the food inside. It was a lot we buy, so I just pick it up like this. It was a lot. This one I'm going to use it to make fried rice later. I'm going to be vlogging that too. Buy the shrimps last time. I show you guys that the video is there too. The day I buy this cold fish and this shrimps. Yeah, that was the day I bought it. So it was in the freezer since. So we use it like so guys. So I said let me make stock out of it. So guys, this one I'm going to, so this is the shrimp's head and the skin. So I'm just going to leave it like this. It's already clean. It's not dirty because I'm the one that did it myself, that take the food out. I was the one that take the skin out of the shrimps. Yeah, so shrimp shell. Yeah, shrimp skin or shrimp shell. Maybe that English is correct. I think so. Then I will be needing 2 onions, ginger. I'm not going to put everything. I'm going to take some out of it. I will need 3 cloves of garlic, medium size. Then I will need 2 celery stick. Then I will need 1 medium carrot. Then I will need thymian. This is fresh thymian. I have the fresh one. You know, it's a summer, guys. So I have herbs, fresh herbs. So I have this thymian. So this is the thymian, fresh thymian. So yeah, this is my seasoning cube and this is the salt. Yeah, I almost forgot. So guys, I want to wash my onions and celery and carrot. I will dice them. So yeah, here we go. Yes guys, the vegetable is nice and cut. This is my pot. Now I'm going to put the shrimp skin like so. Like so. So I'm going to start by adding the vegetables. Yeah, I'm going to add everything at once. Everything. Yeah, like so. Seasoning cube. Guys, you can do this thing when you didn't take out the shrimps. You can use it like that. It will still be okay, but I don't like to do it like that. I just want to take away the skin. Yeah, I just want to take away the food and use the skin, you know. So I just put some salt. Now I'm going to be adding some water. This is the water. I'm going to add water to cover it up, you know. I'm going to add more, like so. So I'm going to transfer this to my stove right now. That is it. I'm going to stir it. Like so. You can have more seasoning cubes. You are making it to your choice, to your taste, you know. So guys, I'm going to cook this thing for 50 minutes. Here I'm going to put my lid. Like so. I was having some bay leaves, guys. Let me add some bay leaves, you know. Guys, I'm going to be adding this 3 bay leaves. Oi. This 3 bay leaves. I forgot. Alright guys, so it has been cooking for more than 50 minutes now. So I just turned the heat down to steam it a little bit. It is already cooked. Did you see the way the shrimp's head look? Everything is washed out, it's clean. Yeah, everything is clean, guys. So guys, I'm going to try to put my stock here. It's still very hot. I'm going to try to use this soup blender, this hand blender. Yeah, so I'm going to use it. Like that. I'm going to use it to try to blend it a little bit, just little bit. Let me try. You see that? Like so. So I'm doing this to release some flavor that is left inside. So guys, you don't have to do this. The last time I do it, I just want to try this out, another method. The last time I cooked this thing, I didn't do it like this. I just drill it. When it finished cooking, I just drill the water out. You don't have to do this part if you don't want. So you can just leave it like that. You see what I mean? Just to release it a little bit. You see the color of the soup have changed. The color of the, oh my goodness, the color of the stock. So now I have a thicker color. Now it's a little bit thicker. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use it to make jollof rice, guys. I can't wait to make this, to use this stuff to make jollof rice. To you properly, this thing I use, this is the blender. If you don't have this one, if you want to do it like this, you can put it in a, you can make it cool down. After cooling it down, before you put it in your blender and your food processor and do it just a little bit. Anyway, you don't have to. You can use it like that, but I just want to try it, a new thing on it today, so that's why I use it. This soup blender. So now I'm going to take this. You should be careful while you are doing this part because that thing is really hot. I'm going to take, this is my bowl, my glass. I'm going to glass bowl, oh whatever. I'm going to, this is my sifter. I'm going to use it to sift it, to try to sift it inside here. I don't know, you have to be careful. Oi. Okay, so I'm going to take the second to put it here because there's still something in there. So we'll just leave this for him to drill down himself, you know. And then what I'm going to be doing later I'm going to, okay, let me finish with it. Yeah, so this is the shrimp stock. guys, if you use this thing to make jollof rice, you don't need the crayfish. If you have this thing, you don't need crayfish. You just add it to whatever you want to make. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys, this thing tastes really good, really good, really good. Guys, we have this shrimp shell. Guys, don't throw it, just use it for this thing. If you don't have time, put it in your freezer. When you have time, you can do this. You can just make a shrimp stock out of it. Look at this. I'm going to be storing this in my freezer. When it cool down, I'm going to put it in a freezer bag. This is cellophane to put it in my freezer, so whenever I need it, I can just pop it out and use it. And I love it in jollof rice. Jollof rice is really good in jollof rice. And if you want to make pepper soup as well, this one is just like pepper soup. This one is just like pepper soup. You can just add meat to it. Just put it in the pot, add meat, add the pepper soup seasoner. You are good to go. And that I will try. I haven't tried that, but the taste, if you taste it, you will know this is really good in that for pepper soup, instant pepper soup. Yeah, you just put it. You don't need anything. Put fish, put all whatever you want. Your pepper soup spice is ready, you know. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Please remember to always turn it on, so whenever I upload the content, or a video, when you will be the first to know. Whenever I upload the video, you will be the first to know. You will be notified. Thank you guys for watching. To my old and my new subscribers, thank you all for subscribing, for joining this kitchen. Thank you guys. Bye bye. I hope somebody will try this out, guys. It's really good. I recommend it. It's really good. Try. If you have these shrimps, something, don't throw it. Use it for something else. Use it for another thing. You see, I buy the shrimp, I use it for this one. We eat the flesh, we eat the flesh, and I use the skin for something, you know. So this will serve me for a while. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and slap the notification bell, and slap the like also. If you like this video, slap the like, give me a huge thumbs up. See you guys. Bye.